Okay, welcome back. So here we will be looking at the use cases of using keyword in TypeScript. So consider a scenario where we have to uh, deal with a file. We wants to open the file, we will do some processing on it, and then we will finally close and delete the file. So far this function is just opening the file and closing the file and deleting the file. Let's see if the function is working fine. Yeah, we have the opening the file and the file closed and delete logs. Okay, now consider that we need to perform an early exit. So let's say we have some condition, and if that condition is true, we wants to do early exit. Let's define the condition here. Okay, again we can probably return some random conditions here. So okay, so here we again have to do the cleanup based on the condition. We can have some more conditions here, and based on those more conditions we might have to again do the early exit. Okay, so you can see we already have a lot of duplicate lines of code. We can probably create a function to clean up our code, where we can create our cleanup function and just move these duplicate lines into this function and call it everywhere, right? So this is how we do the cleanups at the moment. So this is one way of doing it. Now we will do the same cleanup with the help of using keyword. Let's create a temp file. And then move our cleanup function here. Now instead of creating the file this way, we will create the instance of temp file, and now we have the cleanup function in there, so we can basically call it here. This dot file, this dot path. Okay, so what we did is we create the temp file object here, and we just called the cleanup function on that file object. Again, nothing much has changed here. So far the code should work. We open the file and then we close the file. Now there is something new that they have added, which is symbol dot dispose. I will tell you what it is. Now I will show you the magic of this keyword. First, we can again call it like this. Let's see if the code still works. Yep. So what was the need of this specific symbol dot dispose and calling it here like this? So the use case was, if we assign any method to symbol dot dispose, we don't even have to call it. So that's the magic of it. Now I will tell you more about it. So simply if I run the code now, it will just open the file but will not close it, because we have not used the using keyword. So this is the use case of using keyword. Now you can see the file is opening and closing as well. So when we have used the using keyword, we have removed all the cleanup logic from our interface where we are using the code. However, the cleanup code has been moved to a centric place. Now let's see what is symbol.dispose and what does it mean.